All, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Fidos. My father name is Fidos Alam. I belong to Begusai district. I live at Saidpur. I reading Madrasa Jamia Arabiya Nurul Ulum Noor Nagar Sayyidpur. My ambition is alim. My hobby is reading Quran. I am self-motivated and hardworking. Assalamu alaikum. Knowledge is a light with the light of the heart and mind are enlightened. The ignorance and darkness is free in the society is removed. Knowledge is valuable wealth, thanks to which poverty and unemployment are removed. Knowledge is power through which it is possible to change weakness, and weakness is strength and elevation. Knowledge is the elixir and water of life, which after drinking gives life and vitality. Gentlemen, the program has been held today in the courtyard of Madrasa Jamia Arabiya Nurul Ulum Sayyidpur. It was established in year 2000 AD in view of religious education needs of the village and reasoned by our elders with great sincerity and dedication, which was named as Jamia Arabiya Nurul Ulum exists. At this time, this institution has been 15 intellectuals of the village, 10 members teachers, 2 cooks and 60 resident students of fine accommodation with food and drink. The poem also remains, this scholarly karwa is.
इसी तरह की और वीडियोस पाने के लिए एजाज हाशमी नदवी को सब्सक्राइब करें।